Welcome to Aruvi, Auxilium Rural Underprivileged Women and Youth Empowerment, the Social Development Office of the Salesian Sisters of Don Bosco of Chennai Province, which is committed to social ministry through its 40 social development centers, embracing the whole state of Tamil Nadu.
Aruvi coordinates and supports all the social developmental activities of the province by way of mobilization of resources towards financial assistance, provision of equipments, and arrangement for the need-based trainings. Aruvi facilitates in implementing, monitoring, and evaluating the programs. It takes initiative to build linkages with other NGOs and corporate offices for fundraising, coordinating programs, and for job placement.
Education is the hallmark of every individual child. To minimize dropouts in the rural and semi-urban areas, evening study centers plays a vital role in giving quality education. Formation of Neighborhood Children Parliament results in improvement in studies, growth in discipline, and a platform created for social responsibilities. The significant event of this year, Mr. Kotishwaran and Ms. Abhinaya is given a certificate of appreciation from IIMA Human Rights Office at Geneva, Switzerland on 25th September 2019 for having promoted a safe and empowering environment for all children and youth of Erode and Thiruvannamalai district through the Children Parliament. Training on child rights, safety procedures, human trafficking, child protection policy helps the vulnerable to be safe and secure from the hands of the exploiters. Awareness programs on eco-friendly environment, trainings on traditional cultures such as folk arts, traditional games and sports help the children to bring out their best potentials, bringing merits to the individual and to the institute. Children's sponsorship has helped school-going children to do the higher studies and make their dreams come true. Women are considered to be the untapped reservoirs in the society. They are the change agent in the family, society, and in the nation. Aruvi reaches out to the marginalized and poor women of Tamil Nadu through self-help groups. Every year, self-help groups are given trainings on income-generating programs, market scan, entrepreneurship training, leadership and life skills, and marketing strategies, exposure visits, empowering the women to increase their production. Awareness on government schemes, support to enhance their financial and social status. promoting awareness on gender-based violence and partner violence among women, education on rights and legislations, and promote safety measures had helped the women to voice out during risk. Taking part in national and regional festivals and Women's Day celebration empowers each member to come together, work together, and build good relationships. Youth can play an important role in every field, and if they are determined to put in their best, then no one can stop them from achieving success. ROV conducts career guidance and soft skill training, communicative skills to promote developed personality, linkages with other agencies enhances decent job employability. The youth of any nation and society are its potential energy. ROV believes very strongly that young people have the power to change the world. Youth citizenship workshops were promoted for youth leadership and volunteerism, thereby help the young people to grow in service-mindedness, to be sensitive to the needs of the society and reach out to the periphery. Focused group discussions were organized at 2 districts. Slums were identified towards empowering people. Mochavadi, a village in Peranamallur block in Thiruvannamalai district of Tamil Nadu, began its preliminary visit on 21st February 2018, followed by a baseline survey organized by ROV team on 27-28 February and 1st of March. The new presents were erected on June 12, 2018 Aruvi target area focus is to conduct evening coaching classes and women promotion.